So this is a Magnatone model 260A, 1959. We've got an audience here. It's 35 watts and it's got the magic Magnatone Vibrato. It's just on the first channel, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think, yeah. Not too many of the original knobs left, and somebody's done some creative fretwork on the back panel. Speakers have been replaced, but the ones that are in there are good quality. And the covering, which is not your Fender style Tolex, it looks like a thinner material, has seen better days. We'll have a look inside. So here's the Magnatone with the back panel off, and there's the Mercury Magnetics power transformer. That's a replacement, obviously. That's so that the amp can be run on 240 volts here in Australia, rather than using an external transformer. Everything else on the top of the chassis looks ridgy-dig and original. We've had all the tubes out to clean the pins and the sockets. All the 12AX7s are original Amperex Bugle Boys, and the 6G7s are tongue soles. I haven't looked at the date codes, but I'm assuming these are all original tubes. And we've got RCA 5881s there. At least I think they're 5881s. We'll have a look in a minute. Just pull those out in a second, have a look at them. So this is good news. So the output tubes are not a matched pair. They are in fact short bottle 6L6s. One is an RCA and the other is an Esty brand. Now they may very well be matched as far as current draw and output goes, but they're different brands, and one of them is dated 1961. Okay, so here's the Magnatone chassis out. I think it was like 6 screws, some of them not that easy to get to, but not too difficult to get that out. And very clean inside. And it does look as though whoever replaced the power transformer also got inside and upgraded the filter caps. These are newish F&Ts. I haven't looked to see if there's a date code on them. So that's very good news. And a lot of the other capacitors are blue molded, and I believe they're pretty reliable. This section of the circuit looks newer. The solder and the connections are very shiny, so I'd have to go back to the schematic and see what's going on there. But this all looks pretty good.
That's actually, I feel like it might be louder than it was.
Oh.
You got a mic so I can sing.
Yeah, I'm sure that's way louder than what it was before.
Oh, that's good.
That's got some grunt.
Vibrato's nice, isn't it?
Lovely, yeah.